day trade to quit your job in less than 3 months, 90 days. You saw that on the internet, didn't you? It's all over the place. Quit your job in 3 months, day trade. Guys, I've been in this industry for 30 years or more, and I've seen traders that have never become profitable. So if you think that you're gonna start quitting your job in 3 months and start day trading, you've got another thing coming. But for all of you guys out there that have already quit your job and you're already day trading, let me help you become profitable with one easy system. The whole thing is, guys, that there's too many people out there promoting the fact that you can quit your job after 90 days and start making money on the stock market just like that. Just off you go. I'm making money. This is great. The thing is, guys, trading is a 50-50 game. There's a 50% chance you're going to win every trade you take, and there's a 50% chance you're going to lose every trade you take. And the reason for that, guys, is simple. The reason is trading is risky and you have to manage your risk. Trading is risky. 80% of traders lose money. In fact, 99% of day traders lose money on the 5-minute charts. This we know. So if you don't like losing money and you don't like risk, rather don't trade. Guys, I put out a free trade every day on my blog. Go check it out, the secret blog. It's not trading advice, it's just an idea, and it's always nice to get someone else's idea. Also, there's a free Forex book. Check it out in the index, check it out in the side, and I think it might even be in my description here. Just go check out. Go and enjoy it. It's free and it's for you. So will you be able to quit your job in 90 days and make money trading? Well, of course it's possible. Anyone could do it. I mean, I know that ICT is promoting it big time. I know they're out there promoting this. And sorry guys, but I think you're making a big mistake telling people to do that, because I don't believe that this is something that you can just do. I've seen comments on people where they've said they haven't become profitable. So many people have not become profitable in the stock market because 80% of traders lose money. So how can you expect that after 3 months on your system, your strategy, these people are suddenly now going to start making money? That's not going to happen. That's not how it works. I want to tell you guys the truth, and this is why I don't have that many subscribers yet, and why people aren't following me that great yet. Maybe my videos are crap as well, but at the end of the day, I'm telling you the truth, and people don't want to hear the truth. People want to hear the flashy Lamborghinis. They want to hear they're going to make $1 million next week. They want to hear that the money is just going to come flowing in and they're going to be able to quit their job in 90 days. Guys, you're trading with real money, and it's not going to happen easy. It's always going to be difficult. And the reason for that is most people don't know psychology, and they don't know how to lose, and they don't know how to manage their risk. It's really simple. Go and follow my videos, go and follow my systems, and see how you can manage your risk and see how you can trade maybe support and resistance. That's the simplest way. Don't get all complicated. There's so many complicated systems in the stock market. It drives me absolutely nuts. I cannot believe how complicated these things can become. And you know what happens? You guys go out there. We all do it. I've done it as well. You go out there and you're looking for a new strategy. You're looking for a new system. You're looking for that magic pill that's going to make it easier for you, that's going to change everything for you, that's going to make you all this money in 3 months, that's going to make you this salary, this income, this dream income, where you're sitting at home and watching some charts. There's professional traders out there that have walked off the floor and tried to start their own day trading systems and have failed. The reason you fail is simple. It's because it's not the strategy that makes you money. It's not the system that makes you money. Guys, believe me when I tell you this, it's the psychology that makes you money. What you have to do, you have to learn that when you're taking a loss, take a small loss, and when you're making a win, add to the wins and make more money. It's all about making more on the wins than adding to the losses. What most people will do is when they start taking a loss, they'll add to the loss will get worse, they'll add more to the loss will get even worse, and eventually it just becomes a blown account or a disaster. What you need to be doing is getting out of your losses quickly and following the long trade. So switch it around, sort of change it around. Instead of adding to your losses, start adding to your wins and see what happens then. Just remember that every trade you take, no matter what your strategy is or how clever your strategy is, every trade you take is a 50-50. You can't win 80% of your trades. Nobody does. Most people at best are 50-50, most are less than 50%, which is why you have to manage that risk and which is why so many people don't become profitable. What actually happens, a lot of traders, what they'll do is they'll show that they're winning 7 out of 10 trades. But the 7 trades that they won a tiny little amount, and the 3 trades that they lost were huge losses. And if you work out their profit loss on those 10 trades, you'll find they made a huge loss because they took such big losses on their loss trades because they cannot lose. They don't want to lose. They keep adding to the losses. And the reason they won those 7 trades is even on those trades, they were losing, but they kept adding, and they got lucky and it came back. And as soon as it comes back into profit, they get out of the trade. It's a revenge trade. And they say, I've made a profit, but it's a tiny little profit. And all they've done is revenge trade it and got back out. It's almost the same as getting out at a break even, let's say. So guys, what I'm saying to you is, don't quit your job just yet. Don't run away just yet. Don't expect to be earning a salary in 3 months. You'll be very lucky if you learn the stock market in 3 months. You're an absolute genius. It'll be brilliant. It takes a while for you to figure it out. I always say, find yourself a good broker, find a good demo account, try it out, try out your system, make sure your system is working, and then start trading with your system, but keep your day job for now until such time as you know, I can do this, then go for it. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope it helped you. I hope this video set you right in some way or another. And hey, don't forget to watch the last video after you've subscribed. Cheers, guys.